Watch out, bud.
Look, look, look. Oh, right here, right here. She got it.
Ew.
Look, she's eating it. Look.
Yum. Come back here, you centipede.
Can I give him one of the worms?
Yeah,
Which one?
What about the one that wasn't moving, my bud?
This one?
Yeah, I think so.
She wants some more.
Is it moving?
Yum. Oh, chicken's gonna get it. The chicken got it.
Yeah, go, chicken king.
Do you want to feed him any more? I don't know if they'll eat the roly-polies.
Wait, I think I got one.
Oh.
Hold on.
Yeah, wait.
Put
Yep,
it flat in
sure.
your hand like this.
Can you do it?
Yeah.
Did it hurt?
She doesn't mean to bite. It just
Yeah.
hurts when she hits it. She's crazy.
Yeah, she's crazy.
That's why I called her. That's why I called the little one Snap.
But hey, look, you can do another worm. Grab a worm.
I think you should do this one.
I'm gonna show you how to do it.
Well, literally. I think I'll call the wiggle worm. Really?
That one?
I think I want that one. Wait, it's so... Hey, come back here. It won't get it. It won't let me get it.
Alright, so hold it from an edge. Grab the edge back here. See how Daddy's holding it? You're gonna hold it just like that. Grab it. Grab it. Hold it tight and let it dangle. Get close so she can see. Oh.
Come back here! I don't think I like doing that.
Okay, so watch. Daddy's gonna do it. Well, she's not a big fan of the worms.
Oh.
Hey, Toby, where you at?
Right.
Toby will find it.
Hey, buddy, eat that worm.
What'd you think about that?
I guess they're full.
Yeah, and that gives them a lot of protein.
Mm-hmm.
All right.